Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to sell your laptop, tablet or phone on eBay. If you've got an old or a new laptop, tablet or phone sitting around, you're basically holding unused cash. eBay is one of the best platforms to turn that device into money, but only if you list it the right way. A lot of people rush the process, skip research, and end up underpricing their item or not selling it at all. Start by going to eBay. Use the search bar and type the exact product you want to sell. For example, a MacBook Air M2. Now look through the listings. Clarification: this is important. Pay attention to prices of similar items, condition, titles, and keywords used, as well as photos and how they're presented. Now click on My eBay. Then go to Selling. This opens your seller dashboard. Click on List an item. This will start the listing creation process. Now write your title. Tip: use what you saw during research. That is, try to make it a strong title. Add clear photos of your device. Good photos equals higher trust equals more sales. Now enter all required details: brand, model, storage capacity, color and condition. Clarification: these details help your listing appear in search results. In the description section, clearly explain current condition, any defects, and battery health. Important: be honest. Hiding flaws leads to returns and bad reviews. Use your earlier research to decide pricing. Start slightly competitive, not the cheapest, but attractive. Choose your shipping method. Include shipping cost, delivery time, and carrier. Review everything, then click List Item. Your product is now live. Using eBay properly turns your old device into real money instead of letting it lose value over time. To summarize, selling your device on eBay involves researching the market, creating a listing, adding photos and details, setting a competitive price, choosing shipping, and publishing your item. The key is preparation, good research, and a strong listing make all the difference. And that's how to sell your laptop, tablet, or phone on eBay. This isn't just about listing an item, it's about positioning it so it actually sells at a good price. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.